What's up, everybody? So here's a true test. I just brought this thing out. Ooh, are those oil drips from my bike? That's about the spot where it drips. That's a lot for just sitting here for a few minutes getting gas. Anyway, alright, so true test. Oh, I am probably dripping stuff out of the chain. That's probably from the chain, just slashing, flinging everything, the gear oil around. Well, anyway, I think we got this thing pretty much dialed in. I adjusted the clutch and did it down here. Just tighten this up a little bit right there, and that's pulling a little bit of play until it starts pulling. That's perfect. That's what I want. I filled this up for the first time, non-ethanol gas, or ethanol, yeah, non-ethanol, ethanol-free gas up till the very top. So if there's any more leaks, we'll figure it out and we'll find that out. She fires right up every time on the first pull without choke. Check that out. Now, I did ride her down here, so she's got a little bit warmed up. The only thing I'm still seeing is this neutral light being on when we're pulling in the clutch. It's very weird. I thought I fixed it. Here, give me a second. I thought I fixed it. I pulled this little sucker out. Obviously that's not going to send a signal now. So yeah, that probably won't let us start the bike either, but since we're running already, it's fine. When I plugged it back in, I thought that it was not lighting up. Nope, still doing the weirdness. It's only in the last like half inch that it does that. Very weird, very strange. But anyway, let's reset this because I don't know how many miles we get on a tank. And I don't know how many miles, 15,724, we get without switching this. We've been running on reserve. Let's turn it to on. Hopefully that works too. Put on my other glove and let's go take this for a quick spin now that we talked about it. Clean chain, like I said. Weird neutral light. I don't know what that's about, but I guess we'll figure it out. She sounds amazing. I've already gotten looks. People probably don't realize she's a little 600. But she sounds so good and runs so well, I don't think it matters much. I don't know, this 600 might, I'd love to see what it could run with. Just ignore that neutral light. I don't know, I have to figure it out. Not sure what's hanging up there or doing. It doesn't make any sense to me why that comes on with the clutch. It's not even supposed to come on with the clutch. So seems to be running on main pretty good. Main fuel. There we go. Yeah, I'd love to see what this could run with and keep up with. Just a little 600. Now that it's all dialed in, has the jet kit. Stage 3 jet kit from Sigma. We'll see what she does right now for us. And again, hopefully I don't get covered in gasoline. First time we filled her up since fixing all the little rust pinholes. Chain seems to be on point. The tires, while they are cracked and look nasty and could be replaced just because the grip might not be good, the tubes are holding perfect air. So not something I'm going to replace for now until I'm forced to do it or I scare myself. She does putts every so often when she's not warmed up, but I feel like that goes away when she's warm. I'm not sure why she's doing that now, because she should be warm. Maybe she's getting too much fuel flow at that point. We'll try to work through that area and maybe clear it out. Maybe that, I don't know. I thought we got everything busted out through there. She didn't do it there. Maybe I didn't hit it right. We'll do a walk around on this, but today's just a ride video for fun. First day she's getting out with a full tank of gas, and like I said, clean bill of health. Clean chain, fresh oil, 4-speed 600 Shadow, 1995. Brakes seem to be working good. Turn signals are working. Horn high, low. Even those highway lights on the front work. Did I say turn signals work? Like I said, fires up. First time you push the button. Doesn't even hesitate. Alright, she's starting to not do that anymore when I gas it. Seems to be smooth. No pops, no hesitation. Let's go this way. Turn signal. Yeah, listen to her. Little Shadow sounds super healthy and happy. No hesitations. Was I in second? I guess we should do the speed limit through here. If I'm going to take this out and really rip it around the corners and everything, probably going to put those tires on. I need all the grip I can get to be safe. Look at those new houses. They're pretty. Alright. Out here we can really open it up and get her moving. Alright. In first now. Come down here. Alright, here we go. You ready? Let's go. She doesn't like to hit second very easily. I wonder if the clutch plates... Where am I? What am I in? Fourth gear? Maybe I am shifting into second, not realizing it. Now I think I'm in fourth. Maybe I am shifting and don't feel it. At least today it's not raining like the last ride. She's doing good. 65. Speed limit out here is 55. Now I can see her doing highway. Before I wasn't too sure, but now she seems pretty good. Alright, I must be in fourth gear. Third gear, downshift to second. Yeah, maybe she is hitting second when I didn't realize it. I thought she wasn't going, but I might be wrong. Alright, let's go this way. Second. There's 65. Rather than locking up the rear again, let's just take this easy. Hanging in third gear. The brakes on this little bike allow you to throw this around pretty good. She's pretty solid and she's nimble. I never thought I'd have so much fun on a 600 Shadow. And she sounds great. I know, I keep saying it, but man, that's exciting. I like this little bike. I thought I was just gonna fix it and sell it. She has a lot of potential. There's a helicopter up there. Can you see it? Alright, second downshift. Third. And fourth. Yeah, she's already up to 75. I wonder what her top speed is. Not gonna find out here. Guys, this has been a fun ride. Thanks for coming along with my first full tank of gas, non-ethanol fuel. Get out and ride, and subscribe and come back for more videos with the rebuilt bikes. I will see you on the next one. Peace.